Central Standard Time. The following is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Central Cook, DuPage, Lake, Northern Cook, and Southern Cook. Wet, steady, blowing snow and dangerous travel expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 9 inches are expected. Northeast winds could gusts up to 40 miles per hour Saturday afternoon and evening, especially near the lake. Where? Lake, Illinois, DuPage, Northern Cook, Central Cook, and Southern Cook counties. When? From noon Saturday to 6 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. Widespread blowing snow after sunset Saturday could significantly reduce visibility, especially along the Lake Michigan shoreline. Additional details: the steadiest snow rates appear most likely between 2 p.m. Saturday and midnight Sunday. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com.